quick overview like how does it work and how quickly you can use it on the website. So this is how the dashboard looks like, and we can install the Chrome extension on Chrome browser, otherwise in Edge browser. Okay, you can see that in here. Actually, I already installed it on my Edge browser, so something like that. Okay, and then we will go here. Okay, once it is installed, whatever website you want to install onto, you go there. Okay, like this, refresh it. It is my spread simple website, a simple website I made it on, created on spread simple. So once you log on to this, it will show like this is the extension we have just installed. Click on that. Okay, it will a pop-up comes like this, like add this particular domain. If you click on add, then it will add that website into the dashboard, and then this will come up. Okay, here we need to design that particular pop-up. You can go to the dashboard here, and you can check it. The dashboard, like you can click on sites, and you can see this site, particular site is added already. Earlier it was only domain.com, now it actually, this particular website is added. Okay, now if we click on this in the dashboard, okay, if you click on this view JS tag, there it will show this particular JavaScript code. So copy this, you can just copy and click on copy to clipboard. Okay, then go to your spirit simple, otherwise any website, wherever, like it can be WordPress also. Okay, so now for example I have taken this spread symbol website. Here actually, if you go to settings, there one option is there, like inject custom code. There I go. uh, Actually, these developers always recommend to paste the JavaScript code in head section, even Google Analytics tag manager or any code, but I prefer keeping it in the footer, like after the body section, because the JavaScript uh, will affect the website performance. I do not want to load it immediately or before anything else. I want to load JavaScript at the end of the website. Means even once everything is loaded, like CSS, media, text, everything, HTML, everything is loaded, then only I want to load JavaScript. I don't want to block the loading just because of the JavaScript. So I always paste JavaScript in the end, in the footer, otherwise at the end of the body, something like that. Okay, that helps. Like, see, uh, the basic thing is like I want to load information or media, whatever it is visible to customer at first. Then I want to load that backend functionality, because nobody takes action immediately as soon as they landed on the web web page, right? So here is the thing. I loaded that. Say, click on save and publish. You can do that. Okay, that is done. Now I go to this website. Okay, here click on this particular button, plus button. Here it will ask how you want to add the pop-up page, web page view, floating web browser tab, or image, or YouTube videos, something like that. We can just try with anything. If we go to this, let me show. Like I will embed this particular, regarding this particular one, I want to embed Google Map, because all these options, like even the Notion page also we can embed in Facebook item or something else. It's actually there are a lot of options on this pop-up, so you can embed anything here. You can put it up, and here as it is relevant to my store, I want to embed this one, Google Maps. So I go there. Here actually I have this. This one actually this is relevant and related to this only. So I want to embed this. Click on share. Here you will find embed a map. Then copy this particular HTML. Just iframe one. Come here. Paste it here. Embed. And here you want to see like where you want to embed, like what is the size and all. You can use is arrows to move it right, left, up, bottom. Okay, here I want to move down, so otherwise I can go to left also. This fine, but I want to resize it, so click on that, type, or you can just use this one. It automatically pick up the ratio. You don't need to adjust it, you can just resize it or any particular thing. Okay, something like this. So this is for just testing the functionality, like how the resize works. So you can just keep something like this, then yes, close this. And like, oh sorry, I think I get cancelled. You can search here also, no need to browse it again, copy paste it, embed. Yeah, come down left side and resize. Here you can just input anything like this. Okay, click on save. Otherwise you can, I can give a name. Here I'm giving fit ydk map pop. Okay, and can, okay, now if you want to preview it, here it is. So just like this, and actually there are settings and pop-ups. Okay, go here, click on this, it is on, but you want to edit it. It's like you want to edit the settings. Like here there are a lot of settings available, like when any click happens, otherwise on particular page. Okay, otherwise on hover on particular element or class, otherwise some timer like after 5 seconds or something like that. You can select this. Otherwise on scroll on particular page, like after user scroll down, something like that. If user visits this particular page there, something like that. So these are like real marketing pop-up options, so like exit intent, then see event, those and all. So we can select like 5 seconds or 3 seconds usually, and then playback whether it is required or not. Otherwise you can just live on site, so it's live. And then here we are selecting all pages, not just a specific pages. Otherwise if you want anything specific, you can mention it here. Otherwise if you want avoid some pages pop up on, then that is also available here. So I'm selecting all pages. Then here audience, like if you want to target specific audience, like a specific country, example, click on this criteria device. This is only available on uh, I want to uh, show this pop-up only on desktop, then I'll select only desktop, something like that. Then want to select only this particular location. So here I can select something like that, anything you want. Here, yes, something like that, India, specific country, something like that. So save the audience. I can enter something like that. Save audience. Okay. So it is only visible to Indian users logged on desktop, not on mobile or tablet, something like. And then I'm just turning it off, but going through the options. Then schedule, if you want this particular pop-up only visible or to the user during this particular time, otherwise starting from this day. It is really helpful when you are organizing some sales, starting from this day to this day, otherwise from this day, something like that. That's really helpful actually. You can even select the time zone also, set the time zone, and even give the end date also. And here actually they have given these weekly specific days. You don't want to run on weekdays, otherwise if you don't want to run on weekends, like that. That's quite good number of options there. And playback is like, this is regarding this effect, if you want to dim the background while playing that video or something like that. So these are all options here. Go through this, click on save, done, and you can go this to in a private window. Yes, you're here. So it's going to load after 2 or 3 seconds. 3 seconds, I think so. Yeah, so it's came like this. So how is this? I hope you like this, and this is a quick video. So this is it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet.